I'm working on creation anamorphic painting on the stairs. A guy sitting on the stairs and playing guitar. I imagined some things like which could be connected with the metro theme. That kind of art will bring some kind of positive feeling in that area. Sometimes it's just you could see some concrete and like a gray concrete. That kind of anamorphic paint, it brings some kind of unexpected emotions.